Well, it's a very essential part of our marketing mix to be involved with industrial heating, not only on the print advertising side, but also with banner ads and all the electronic opportunities that are out there as well. So we've been doing it for many years, as you know. It's been very good for us, and it's an essential part of our marketing mix.
We find the magazine is perfectly suited for our type of equipment. Some specific advertising that we put in there that people always tend to refer to. So industrial heating has been good for our used equipment and getting our name to the people in our industry.
You know, for us, the Industrial Heating Magazine, we view it as really the market leader. We've been working with IH for probably over 10 years now, right. And when we think of print advertising, we look to industrial heating. For me, it's the premier magazine.
We like the magazine. I read it cover to cover every time that I get it. I find it very informative. It lets me know what's going on in the industry. You know, because we can't have trade shows every week, so which is too bad. But no, I enjoy the magazine, and I find it very valuable for what I do.
I now read the magazine in its digital edition. Very fine. So, and that's perfect for me.
We absolutely feel that we must advertise in the magazine to keep our name in front of everyone. We've had excellent results from advertising in the magazine, for sure.
Well, just at the show already, people come up and say, "We know you guys. You're in industrial heating every month with a full-page 4-color ad," and they know us from that.
You're basically our channel to the industry. Our total advertising, public relations budget has always been kind of channeled towards you guys, and now it's very specific that way. We consider you a working partner as much as any kind of vendor relationship.
It's a great magazine. In fact, it's primary reading. I get flooded with different publications, but Industrial Heating is a great magazine for true heat treating, especially our batch equipment and so on. It's the publication to advertise in.
It's a wonderful magazine. I highly endorse it. I think everybody should get the magazine.